Alright guys, today's video will be sponsored by Tech Auto Boys. They are based in Joburg. They specialize in Honda accessories as well as other vehicles as well. Please do hit them up. I'll leave the link in the description of the Facebook page as well as Wasim's contact number. Even if you're looking for parts for your Honda, he sells breaking up spares and all that type of things. So yeah, hit the boy up, and obviously courier fee will be extra, but I'm sure you guys can work something out with Wasim. So yeah guys, as you can see, now it's sponsor. Yeah guys, so enjoy some cinematics of his shop, then you can see what he has available. Actually there's many more things that he has available. This is just a quick video, so yeah, enjoy. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to Matthew, MAD021. He's gonna remove my gearbox, and then I'm gonna take my gearbox, not my gearbox, I'm gonna take my clutch to have it rebuilt by Clutchman. So yeah, this is gonna probably be like a two-stage video type of thing. So yeah guys, please do stay tuned. We're finally working on Scarlett because recently I encountered that my clutch was slipping. So yeah, I'm going to have it rebuilt into a performance clutch. It's not that harsh on the pedal, but I'll obviously do a review once it's in for those guys who want to know how it feels and all that type of thing. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content, because it's going down here by gaijinXcustoms. Enjoy guys. Guys, I'm here by Matthew now. Theo's car. Yeah, my baby right there. I'll introduce Matthew shortly, and yeah, we go on with the business. Right guys, so here's Matthew. He's the guy behind the scenes. Please check out the channel MAD021. I'll leave a link in the description below as well as a code right there. And yeah, I'm gonna do some gearbox removal today. Me and Theo will be heading to Clutchman now. Yeah, clutch is actually dead. It's cracked, and some of the pad of the clutch is actually like chunked out. So yeah, we're gonna head quickly to Clutchman and get that sorted out. Hopefully they can rebuild it to performance clutch for me, and then yeah, we'll come back here to Matthew and they put it in with a new box that not new, but with a different box that Wasim at Tech Auto Boys has sponsored me. Shout out to Wasim for that. I'll leave his link in the description below. You can hit him up for anything car related, accessories, bumpers, type of stuff like that. Not just Honda though, he specializes in different vehicles as well. So yeah, anyway guys, let's head to Clutchman and yeah, cheers guys. Just dropped off the clutch. We reached home. As soon as they are done, they're gonna let you know when I can come fetch it. That normally takes a day or two, so yeah, I will do the follow-up shortly. Guys, this is part 2 of this is Gearbox installation day. So as you can see, baby's right there. Actually working on another Honda right there. It's one beautiful color, I must say. Yeah, so let's go with the process. Matthew and these guys will be installing. So yeah, put you guys on a hyperlapse throughout the process and then explain afterwards. Right guys, this is how the old box looking. Basically the old box. So yeah, the not new, but other box was cleaned up and resprayed. Once again, thank you Wasim at Tech Auto Boys for sponsoring me the box. I really appreciate it, boss. And yeah, I hope for more sponsors. If you guys want to sponsor me, please hit me up. You can DM me on Insta. I'll leave my Insta account in the description. And yeah, anyway, once again, I would just like to say thank you for Tech Auto Boys, as well as MAD, Matthew Abrams Developments, for installing and cleaning up the box and clutch. So yeah guys, let's get back to the video. guys, so my battery died yesterday when the car was finished. However, I didn't get the chance to video. However, box is in, and yeah, case is super smooth. Actually, shout out to Clutchman as well for the awesome performance clutch they built for me. It bites super nice. I actually really love it. And all the gears, thank you to Wasim at Tech Auto Boys once again. The gears is super nice. Yo, I can't explain it. This car drives like a dream now. Just a few things I have to sort out, like the mountings and the ball joints. I think that's about it for now, and yeah, then I'm good to go. Oh, and the lower control arm as well. I need to sort out the pushes. So yeah, that's about it, and then good to go. But I must say, I'm very impressed with the gearbox. Once again, shout out to MAD, Matthew Abrams Developments, for the awesome service, and I'm very happy with the service. Put his card or the link of his channel in the description, as well as his number, so you guys can contact him with any mechanical work. I'm sure he'll be able to assist you guys. So yeah, I'll try and take a video, just a normal drive-in video, just to show you guys how smooth the gears are. Never mind the car, it's very dirty right now. I'll wash it the weekend because I won't have time, because I have to go to work still. So yeah guys, that's about it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content, and please share with all your friends. And thank you once again guys for the over 1K subscribers, as well as making me eligible for payment. So yeah, as you guys can see, the ads are rolling now. Anyway, enjoy. Cheers guys. Right guys, so as you guys can see, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. Perfect.